It pains me to hear people say nowadays that William Wallace died defiant, a heroic patriot with a shout of freedom on his lips, because that is a lie. William Wallace died slowly and brutally while I stood in Smithfield Square and watched him, bearing silent witness to the death of the man whom I believe to have been Scotland's greatest and most loyal son. But these rumours of his heroic and defiant death have started to circulate, and so the time has come for me to write about the William Wallace I knew. For the man these empty rumours would put in his place is painted in false and garish colours, portraying a hero of the ancients without sin, without flaw, without remorse, and worst of all, without the beguiling, infuriating mixture of strengths and deplorable faults that made my cousin Will the man he was. And he was not the man you think he was.